Welcome back to Slime World. Today we are mixing slime. Hey. Mom, can you open this? I can't open the phone.
Yeah, let me balance the phone.
I got some foam balls and some glitter. And guys, do you know what this is called? Whoa! My slime is open. Now, Mom, this feels good.
Does
Feel it?
Oh, yeah.
But it's extra sticky. Hey! Got it. Oh, there's slime on it.
It's okay. I'm just adding these in different containers so that you can mix them however you want.
Oh, mine's glitter. Okay, guys, so we are going to start mixing. Trin, what are you starting with?
I don't know.
I'm starting with some foam beads. Foam.
It's in. Whoa, this is sticking.
Yeah, you gotta pull it out. How's it feel, Sterling?
Feels nice.
Feels nice.
It does?
Whoa. Pull it. Pull.
As you can see, the things are not sticking. Whoa.
You gotta mix them in.
Okay. I'm gonna do some of the glitter. Time to mix. More glitter. How much glitter are you putting?
If you flatten it out, you can sprinkle it on and then mix it all in.
Oh,
See how that works.
I love this slime. Look at it. Looks like pretty.
It is.
More glitter.
Oops.
It's okay. You can make a mess. Just try to keep it on the table.
More glitter.
Ooh, that's getting sparkly, Sterling. Beautiful. Bring it up close and show them what it looks like so far. Ooh, look at that.
Whoa. Squares.
What are they? Little squares.
Mine are lines.
Oh, that's cool.
Whoa.
Mine are things.
Ooh, they crack.
Whoa.
They're cracking squares. Hear it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some shells. Sissy,
Would you like some squares?
I already got mine.
It's okay.
Ah!
She has pearls over on hers.
Foam beads.
So awesome. More glitter on the other side.
I can hear so much stuff hitting the floor.
Oops.
That's the uh-oh, I did something bad face.
Whoa.
Let's
Guys, that's what mine looks like so far.
Can I try it?
This is what mine looks
Smush
like.
it all together.
Do you like mine?
I love it. Let me show you what hers is looking like. Ooh, that's satisfying.
It's falling.
It's so bumpy.
What is my feet?
Trini, let me see yours.
Whoa.
I'll show them what yours looks like up close.
Your crystals.
Super shiny.
Oh, they're crystals.
All right, keep adding stuff.
Oh. Those are the ones.
My slime doesn't stick really good.
Yeah, your square got in mine. Sorry.
It's called a crystal. Hey, you're throwing them at me.
Oh, I'm
Mom,
just
can you help
helping you.
me?
Yeah, I'm helping you. Trying to keep them all on your side.
Look, there's one more on my side.
Help me put them in, please.
Here you go.
I feel like you need to put them in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
like, and then
Can
smush
I have
them
a
in.
pearl?
Yeah.
What do you need? Do you need anything?
Can I have one of the Ruth's phone?
What color?
Pink.
Just one?
Or
Oh.
red.
I see something like Thanks for the pearl.
Now let's mix it up.
Whoa.
I guess they're like,
Crunchy. Ooh, I just made a bubble.
awesome.
Guys, this is what mine looks like.
That's awesome. You want me to put it close?
I'm shredding it. Well, let's put some more beads. Would you like some beads?
Nah. Well, looks awesome. This is what mine looks like. It has
Mom,
little
open it up,
pearls
please.
in it. Mine has pearls in it. That's why they're hard. Are you doing all of that?
Yeah.
She's trying.
This is what mine looks like.
That's awesome. Wait, where's the pearls? There they are. That's cool.
I tried to put them up and I missed it.
I'm trying to make mine really cool. Mom, can you help me? Even my squares are over by your snowman.
I know. They're going everywhere. I can hear them.
Whoa.
It's alright. It's definitely not a mess-free kit. It's definitely a mess maker kit.
Oops, on my chair.
We still have
Okay.
our twist ones.
Yeah. Well, look how glittery your hands are from your glitter.
Mhm.
It's so shiny.
I have squares on me.
Squares. I love the squares.
Add more.
I like the way the squares feel.
Whoa!
Whoa, it looks like cereal.
Whoa!
Guys, does this look like cereal to you?
It could. Could look like cereal. Oh, it farted. Oh, I love the crunchy.
Look at mine. Can I show them mine?
Let's see if we can make a bubble.
Yours made a little noise.
Mine, anything is not out. I'm saving the shells for last.
They're leaving tiny square marks.
Ain't that awesome?
Uh-huh.
Just sticking.
Mom, can you help me?
Do what, baby?
I'll put some stuff in here and you start mixing.
Oh, okay.
Mom, can you start mixing my slime for me?
Okay, you gotta put them on.
Yes. Perfect. Now add more pearls.
What are you doing?
Add more pearls.
Are you gonna put all the glitter?
I put some glitter.
Are you gonna put all of it?
Yeah.
If you weren't, I need some.
What?
How about you ask her if you could
Can I
have a
please
little?
have a little bit?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You can put as much.
Ooh, look at that.
That's, ooh, this is easy.
Ooh, I can make a bubble
Look,
probably.
look, look, look. Look what I'm doing.
Whoa! Did you see that?
I seen all the squares flying at me.
I'm making the pearl.
All right.
Can you help me make a bubble? Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Slime time!